Alright, another day on the channel, and today we are going to install a Herculiner into the F-150. So it came without a bed liner, and the previous owner did use the bed, so there's some scratches, but it's time to put some texture in there and prevent the scratches from showing up. So let's get to it. Link in the description below for the Herculiner kit, and make sure you like and subscribe. First up, we're going to take off anything we can. So these 4 brackets, and then probably these tow hooks as well. But we'll see. As we make progress on this whole thing, I'll let you, well, you'll see what we're doing. So Ariel's got her mask. I'm gonna put on a mask as well for sanding. But yeah, let's start with that, and then we'll start sanding. Okay, and we're also going to take off this measuring thing. I just took out the 3 bolts to see what was underneath it, but pretty straightforward. Okay, we're gonna get started, and they shut up my nose. Alright, bottom surface almost completely done. How's it going, Ariel?
It's going. I'm hot.
Yeah, me too. But now we just gotta do the sides and the wall up against the cab, and then we'll be ready to clean this up and start painting. cuts. But truck has been sanded. Now we're going to clean all this stuff up with I think some mineral spirits and some paper towels, and we can get to painting. Pretty straightforward. A little scary, you know, taking a sander to the paint, but it's all in the bed, so no big deal. Okay, we're going to be using some regular run-of-the-mill paint thinner. It doesn't need to be perfect, but make sure you just cover everything.
Okay, we'll just follow your lead.
There it is. What do you think, guys? This patina look looks pretty good, right? I like it. Gonna have to keep that in mind for the Land Cruiser. All right, let that dry and start painting. All right, back in the truck bed. We are mixing up the Herculiner. Remember, link in the description if you want some. It supports the channel. We're gonna use this little 2-inch brush to get all the corners. The front first and the sides, and then we'll start rolling everything. If you're not confident with a paintbrush, I highly recommend masking stuff off, but that is up to you. I'm gonna see how it goes, and then if I start messing up, I might just do some masking. All right.
Sorry guys, this one will take more than a couple hours.
Yeah. Ariel, I need a paper towel! Not. Got it on this fucking light. Thank you. Yeah, can you clean one out for me? can on.
Gotta find one.
Nicely. I think it will come out nicely. Oh. Okay. So in typical GoPro fashion, it overheated and the footage stopped, but we were almost done. And here was the first coat of the bed liner. So just finished rolling everything on. I'm gonna let this dry for a bit, and then the instructions say once it's no longer tacky, you put on the second coat with the new roller that was provided in the box. So just for reference, this is a 5.5 foot bed. Did all the walls and the tailgate, which I know this piece is going to be covered by plastic, so I'm going to do one coat there. But just for reference, that's how much I used. So a little bit more than 1/3 of a gallon of this stuff. So I'd say just start with the one. I did get the extra little quart, but probably not necessary. So let's let this dry, and then I will throw you guys up on the trash can right here for the second coat, and then we'll finish everything off. Cool. All right, it's the next day because it actually took a lot longer for this stuff to dry than I thought it would, but there's the finished product. Nice and not sticky, but abrasive, good protection. So let's throw on the plastic cover for the tailgate, and we'll be done. Just gonna let it cure for another couple days before I actually use it, but I've got no plans for anything truck related. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna put on the what are these? Bottle openers. And we are fully installed. So bottle openers are on, plastic protectors on both sides. Now for the moment of truth. Will it shut without any issues? It does. Sweet. Plenty of room to spare. So that's actually pretty good. Opens up like normal. And closes like normal. Alright, that was a fun project. This whole kit cost me like $109, and I had plenty left over. There's still like 1/3 of a gallon, maybe 1/4 of a gallon left in that. So if you buy a pickup truck and it doesn't come with a bed liner, I highly suggest you give it some consideration and, see if it makes sense for you to do it. It's a little bit of back-breaking work, but you know, I got a quote for $750, $1,000 at the dealership, and I did it for $100. So happy with the results. My truck is now very dusty, but I gotta wait a couple more days before I can wash it. But yeah, this was fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. More content coming to the channel pretty soon, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.